One of the easiest ways we can make the detail cells, and then those cells we talk about, the author and the week and the title, different from the abstract cells, is to maybe make the abstract cells italic and make the kind of detail cells bold. Okay, and since we're using two functions, get cell with text for the kind of detail cells and get wide cell with text for the more long-winded cells, what we can do is just simply put some bold into this type of cell and put some italics into this cell. That is actually not as hard as it might seem. I mean, at the moment we've got mycell.txt equals cell str. Okay, but what we could do instead of that, if we comment that one out by putting a single quote, we could simply say something like this: mycell.controls. Okay, and then we add inside the cell a new literal control which has got some bold text in it. So we put then new literal control, open bracket. Remember, a literal control, you can just put anything in it at all. So I could put in a bold command, which is kind of angle bracket B, to which I could append the text we are passing to the function, cell str, and to which I could then append the end bold command, quote, angle bracket /B, close angle bracket, close quote, close bracket. Okay, and so by doing that, instead of just putting the text into the cell, I put a whole emboldened piece of text as a new literal control into the cell. Okay, so that's where we can do the bold text. And what we could do, instead of putting in mycell.txt equals cell str for the wide cell, for the abstract, what I'm going to do is put some italic text around that. So I can put there something like mycell.controls.add, again, new literal control, open bracket, quote. This time I'm putting italics, I angle bracket, ampersand cell str, and then /I. Okay, so we've got that, and by doing that on those commands, what we should be getting now is that the kind of the detailed text should be bold and the other text should be italic. So let's just check if that does indeed work. So let's press play. Oh no, it doesn't quite work because there's got some errors. There's a couple of brackets missing. So let's put those brackets back in. Yes, that's right. I've added the add has got a bracket, and also the new literal control has got a bracket. So they need two brackets to close it up. And now if I run that, hopefully this should now appear in the browser as I had hoped. And there it does. So you see the detailed text has gone bold and the abstract text has gone italic. Okay, all very well and good, but the problem is, what we've done is we've inserted formatting detail into the logic of the code, and that's something we ideally want to get away from. So we have to find a way, through styling, we can create alternate styles for the same kind of HTML tags. And there is a way of doing that, and it's called style classes, and that's what we'll be covering in the next one.